Here, we're presenting our innovation project. We are a team from Department of Mathematics, Science and Computer, Politeknik Seberang, Perai. Our mission is to make abstract concept in discrete mathematics more engaging and easier to understand. This innovation project is officially registered with MyIPO. Many students struggle to understand the abstract concept of logic gates. Traditional teaching often relies on theory, which can be difficult to grasp without hands-on experience. That's why we create an interactive solution. SNA LOGIC KITS is a physical learning tool designed to help students understand input-output of logic gates. With suitable and simple circuit, switches and LED light, the learning becomes easy, fun, and meaningful.
Our innovation project, SNA LOGIC KITS, comes with 7 logic gates, a perfect way to learn the basics of digital logic. First, we use a power bank as the power supply to switch on the SNA LOGIC KITS. Next, we select the input by pressing the switches provided on the board. Then, the output can be observed through the LED lights, which will turn on or off depending on the selected logic gate. Through this simple process, students can easily understand how each logic gate works, from basic input combinations to output results. This kit also comes with a truth table on the board, which makes it easier for students to refer to. With SNA LOGIC KITS, students not only gain confidence in understanding digital fundamentals, but also develop hands-on skills that make learning more engaging. At the same time, lecturers save valuable teaching time, as complex concepts can be explained through simple demonstrations. This makes lessons more effective, interactive, and enjoyable for both students and educators. Furthermore, the kit encourages collaborative learning, sparks creativity, and builds problem-solving skills, making it a versatile tool for both classroom and self-directed learning. We hope this innovation will enhance logic gate learning, not only in our institution, but across schools and polytechnics nationwide. Thank you for watching.